Guys, it's your girl Kiara, and today we made slime. Now, I know everybody was like, why did I make a tutorial of how I made this slime? So, yeah. So, this is my slime. And when I get more stuff to make it with, I will be doing another tutorial of how I made it. That's going to be in my next video. So, right now, this is a little stretchy type slime. Excuse me. Oh, please remember to subscribe to this. Yeah, so I'm going to be adding hand sanitizer. As you can see, hand sanitizer into it. Just so it thickens up. It smells really good. And we're going to be adding some of this in it. I think I'm gonna put purple in it. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I added some purple in it. I'll add some of both, a little bit of both to make it. I will be making more slime, and I'll be posting another video of how I made it. So yeah, feel free to ask questions. And for my next video, y'all gotta tell me what kind of slime y'all want me to make. Because we have a lot of glue and stuff, but next I think I'll be making the big